Low back pain is one of the most common things that we as chiropractors see day in and day out in the office. Now, this can come on from multiple different reasons. It could be trauma. I'm seeing it from a lot of postural issues. So people are coming in from sitting a lot. Maybe their posture is not right when they're standing. And today I'm going to be explaining exactly how can we create the proper posture by doing a certain exercise. My name is Dr. Antonio, and today I'm actually going to be using a spine to actually make this a little more easier for you guys to understand. So follow along with me here. This is your spine here. This exercise is called pelvic tilts. So when people, which I see a lot of, when they're doing text neck in their phone and their head is down like this, their lower back is actually pushed forward like this as well. Well, when their hips kind of go forward in this position, what happens is that you actually increase the curve in your lower back like this by pushing your hips forward like this. This is what we call an anterior pelvic tilt. But what's happening is that you're actually increasing the pressure and the tension in your lumbar spine, and those joints, which we call facets, are actually getting jammed up against each other. So this exercise is one of the ways, simple way to actually help decompress and open up those joint spaces. When you do that, you will actually be stretching a lot of the ligaments, tendons, and muscles in that area to make sure that you actually get more mobility. So, like I said, this exercise is called pelvic tilts. It's a very simple one that you can do. All you need is a flat surface. But while you're laying here, what you're gonna be doing is, I have my knees bent, feet shoulder width apart, but I'm gonna have my arms up here so you can see my waist right here. So what I'm doing is I'm rotating my hips forward like this first, and I'm creating that arch in your lower back. And then I'm gonna rotate backwards and actually have my back now flushed against the ground. And this is the position where you actually decompress the spine. And so what we're doing is we're taking the spine through the motion, and you should actually start feeling your head kind of slide down. That's how you know you're doing it right. It's going up and down, up and down. You don't want to lift your butt. You want to keep that flat on the ground as well. But the main important thing is that you want to squeeze your core here, and your back will be flushed against the ground. Now, this is a simple exercise, more of like a warm-up, something to do before you start getting into maybe doing squats or deadlift or something where you're actually engaging a lot of those muscles down there. And so it's something to make sure it's actually loosening up everything. But this is not something that's going to take care of a lot of the pain. It's not going to take care of it where it's going to be gone completely. It will help alleviate it. But if you are dealing with some low back pain or you have questions like that, take advantage of our special offer. For just a $39 donation to our local charity of the month, we'll sit down with you. We'll go through a detailed exam. We'll do some ortho tests, some neurological tests. But more importantly, we'll also shoot some x-rays as well to really figure out exactly what's going on and how we can help. So give us a call and we'll see you soon.